Hi friends, let me show you these outdoor lamps that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay. They come with the fixture required to install them. Okay. And they are LED. They have also the accessories that you need and installation instructions. So we are going to install them and show you how they look. Perfect. Installed the lamps and they change color if you turn them on and off continuously. This is a warm white and this is a cold white. It has like 3 different colors, temperatures: cold, medium, and cold white. So these are a set of nice lamps. They give nice lighting to the patio here, and you can change them to have the exact temperature that you want, that you need for your event or for your patio. Perfect.